I'm so done with women thinking that they are not enough just because of their looks. And this is going to end today. This is the last day you are going to believe that. I will make sure of it. Mindset shift is everything. And if you can change your mindset, you can literally change anything in your life. So today we are going to focus on mindset. And after this video, I will guarantee you that your mindset will not be the same. So let's jump right into it. If you get value from this, then subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out my Instagram, link is in the description. Let's start now. Babe, I need you to sit down and now listen to me for the next I don't know how many minutes. But you really need to hear me, because after this video, you are not going to feel ugly again ever in your life. And that is my guarantee. And I am not going to talk about how you are beautiful, you just don't know, you are just listening to the society and all that, because we all know beauty is perspective. We all know I might be beautiful to some and I might be a piece of shit to others. We all know beauty is perspective. For example, my boyfriend thinks that I am a queen. My ex thinks that I am trash. Who do you think is right? I don't think any of them is right, because what I am going to feel is what I perceive myself to be. Because if I think that I am a trash, then I am going to feel the same. Then I am going to feel like that. But if I think and I perceive myself as a girl who is a queen, then I am going to feel like that. So it's all about perspective. But we all know that. And I am not going to tell you the same things again, because we are going to talk about something that we have never heard about. And that is mindset shift. Because as soon as we are going to think about
we are ugly, we are like this, we are like that,
we are going to be like that. And as soon as we start thinking of ourselves as beautiful, we are going to be beautiful. So how are we going to do it? Mindset shift. The truth isn't that you hate your face. What you hate is that you don't have the courage to own the way you are. Let me remind you something we have all seen in our childhood. Like from the very childhood to now, we are watching many Bollywood movies, and those movies have those actresses or like heroines of those movies, and we always appreciate them, we always look up to them, and somewhere we like their life, we like them, we love them so much in fact. तो हम उन कैरेक्टर्स की बात करेंगे. अब मैं एक एक करके एक एक कैरेक्टर का नाम लूँगी, and you have to tell me why do you remember that character. Is it because of their looks or is it because of something else? Let's start with one and only Geet. So we all know Geet from Jab We Met, and Geet is a character जो बहुत ही famous है and almost सभी जानते हैं. और इसके अलावा she is very fun, cheerful, twinkling like sparking personality she has. Why do we remember her? Do you think she's the most prettiest girl of the world? Do you really think that? I am going to share a photo. Do you think she is the most beautiful or prettiest girl in the world? No. Why do you remember her? You remember her because of her energy, her presence, her charisma, and not because she was the most prettiest girl of the world, right? Let's take another example. Anjali from Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. So we all know this love story. Rahul was a guy who fell in love with Anjali and blah 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 love story. But अगर हम वो scene देखें when he fell in love with her, do you think she is the most beautiful woman in the world? Like really, do you think that कि world की जो beauty standards and rules के accordingly she is the most pretty girl? No, right? Rahul fell in love with her, and why does he fell in love with her? Not because she was the most prettiest girl in the world, but because she was herself. In fact, if you'll watch the video when he fell in love with her, she was just being herself. Anjali is unapologetically beautiful. Not because she is the most prettiest girl in the world, not because she has the most symmetrical face in the world, not because she has this and that and all those beauty standard rules in her face, but because she is Anjali. And in fact, if you have watched these Kuch Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, then you must like whenever you hear the word Anjali, you can get a personality, that what kind of personality she's going to bring on the table, the quirky, the chaotic one, and we all love that personality. We do not think that Anjali is the most beautiful and prettiest woman in the world, but we know that she is because of her presence, because of her energy, because of what she brings on the table, the personality, the quirkiness she brings on the table. Now let's move on to another diva, Rani from Queen. If you don't know the plot of the movie Queen, and if you haven't watched that movie, then let me tell you what happens is that she got dumped. She was humiliated because the hero did not find her deserving because of how she is, and he thinks that she does not deserve a man like him. So by all means, she should have gone in her room, cried, and just think that she is not pretty enough and she is not deserving. But you know what happens in the plot? She went to London, she tried different things, she found herself, and when she returns to India, she becomes the best version of herself. Why? It is not like she got some plastic surgery, she became the prettiest woman in the world. No. She got her energy, she got the aura, and she knows what she brings to the table now. And the last example we are taking is of Aditi from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
आओ, अरे आओ, हम लोग डरते हैं क्या? तुम लोग मेरे फ्रेंड्स को जानते नहीं, एक एक को पकड़ पकड़ के मारेंगे हम लोग.
You know, the not so glamorous Aditi, जिसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता है, but we are going to talk about her. She was full of energy, she was so herself that she got the best man in the whole movie. Now the conclusion is that all these women are not the most prettiest women in the world. We talk about how they are, and that is the real thing. See, they are not the most beautiful women in the world, but their energy is. Their energy decides if they are going to be called as beautiful or not. हम ये नहीं कहते हैं कभी भी, हम कभी भी ये बात नहीं कर रहे होते हैं कि ये कितनी सुंदर थी ना, इसी वजह से आदित्य उसको मिला था. कभी 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 ये बात करते हैं हम कि कितनी सुंदर थी, इस वजह से उसे ये मिल गया था आदित्य. या फिर अंजलि कितनी सुंदर थी, इसी वजह से राहुल ने उसके साथ शादी की थी. या फिर व्हाटएवर. डू वी एवर टॉक अबाउट दिस? नो. वी ऑलवेज टॉक कि गीत की क्या पर्सनैलिटी थी. वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट कि अंजलि क्या थी. हमें मतलब पता है, अगर आपने ये सब मूवीज़ देखी हैं तो हमें पता है कि अंजलि वर्ड सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में एक ऐसी लड़की आ रही है जो बहुत ही क्या कहते हैं उसे, चंचल, बहुत क्वर्की नेचर वाली है, बहुत चीयरफुल. लाइक इफ़ यू हैव सीन दैट सीन फ्रॉम कभी खुशी कभी गम, जब राहुल उससे मिलने जाता है दुकान पे उसकी, तो वी नो कि व्हाट इज़ हर पर्सनैलिटी एंड हाउ शी इज़. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम जब भी मेट में देखें तो वी ऑल नो कि गीत किस तरह की है. जब वो ट्रेन में अकेला बैठा रहता है तो गीत जाके क्या उसकी लाइफ में प्रेजेंट करती है. इसी तरह से हम कभी भी ये बात नहीं कर रहे होते हैं कि हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दे आर. वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट व्हाट दे ब्रिंग टू द टेबल, हाउ दे आर. एंड ब्यूटी इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर एनर्जी, योर ऑरा and your presence in the room. In the same way, you are not ugly. You just haven't found out yourself. You just never see yourself fully. You think your face is ugly. You know what is ugly? Your energy is ugly. Because you know आप क्या चाहते हो. आप चाहते हो कि आप अपने आप को पसंद नहीं करो पर सामने वाला आपको पसंद करे. आप ये चाहते हो. आप बैठ के वेट कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में
कि कोई आएगा जो मुझे पसंद करेगा या फिर कोई आएगी जो मुझे पसंद करेगी.
Instead of choosing yourself, you are waiting to be chosen by someone. As soon as you see a girl who is more pretty than you, who is getting more attention than you, you're constantly like shrinking. You think that, oh, she is so pretty, I am never going to get what she is getting in her life, all the opportunities, all the male gaze, all the love and attraction and all that thing. And the moment you start thinking these things, you have already lost. Because beauty is never a competition. Beauty is ownership. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि भगवान ने कुछ लोगों को बनाया और बोला कि ये लो, लॉटरी में तुम लोग जीत चुके हो तो ये लो, तुम ब्यूटी रखो, तुम ब्यूटी रखो, तुम ब्यूटी रखो. पर तुम लॉटरी हार गई हो तो तुम नहीं रख सकती ब्यूटी. सॉरी, वी आर ओवर ब्यूटी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो स्टॉप थिंकिंग कि कोई ऐसी लॉटरी थी जिसमें कि कुछ लोगों को ब्यूटीफुल बना दिया गया और कुछ लोग नहीं बन पाए जिसमें से एक आप हो. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यू नो, आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सुंदर लड़की होगी, बहुत सुंदर. लाइक सबकी लाइफ में ऐसा होता है कि कोई भी ऐसा इंसान होता है जो बहुत सुंदर होता है. फिर कोई फॉर एग्जांपल सुंदरता को छोड़ देते हैं. अगर हम जाएं पढ़ाई में, देखें हमारी क्लास में कोई एक ऐसा बच्चा होता है जो पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा होगा बट उसके मुंह पे हमेशा रहता है कि यार मैं तो अच्छा ही नहीं हूँ, मेरे तो मार्क्स ही नहीं आते हैं, मेरा तो ये, मेरा तो वो. इन द सेम वे हमारी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई ऐसी प्रिटी लड़की होती है जो हमेशा ये कह रही होती है कि यार मैं तो सुंदर ही नहीं हूँ, यार मैं तो ऐसी हूँ, यार मैं तो ऐसा है, यार मेरे साथ तो ऐसा है. तो ब्यूटी एंड कॉन्फिडेंस हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद हाउ योर फेस इज़. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर एनर्जी. आपके लाइफ में प्रिटीएस्ट गर्ल हो सकती है, वो इनसिक्योर हो सकती है, वाइल आप ही की लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसी लड़की हो सकती है जो कि इतनी प्रिटी नहीं है आपकी डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से. बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ब्यूटी इज़ ऑल अबाउट परसेप्शन. सो जो कि इतनी ब्यूटीफुल नहीं है आपकी डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से, बट शी ओन्स हर एनर्जी. शी इज़ हर सेल्फ, शी इज़ दैट गर्ल. एंड यू नो, आप वेट कर रहे हो कि कोई आपकी लाइफ में आएगा जो आपको बताएगा कि नहीं यार तू तो सुंदर है, तुझे पता नहीं है बस कि तू सुंदर है. और वो आपको फील कराएगा कि आप कितने वर्दी हो. और तब जाके आपको जब वो 100 बार फील करा देगा कि आप वर्दी हो, देन यू आर गोइंग टू बिलीव दैट यू आर वर्दी. एंड व्हाट इफ आई से कि ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होने वाला है. Like, yes, this may sound कि I'm breaking your only wish that can make you feel beautiful, but baby, what if this is not gonna happen ever? Like ever. Just think about the time कि ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा. कोई आएगा और आपको ये बताएगा कि baby, you are actually beautiful. Why can't you look at yourself? Because I look at yourself with like surprise that how can someone be so beautiful? Why cannot you see that beauty? And then suddenly you'll think that, oh, if this person is saying that I am worthy, then it means I am worthy. This is not gonna happen. And just remember, this is not going to happen in real. This is never going to happen. This never happens. Ask anyone in your past who might have seen the same dream, but this never happens. It never happens. At the end of the day, you need to find yourself. You need to cheer for yourself. You need to choose yourself. You need to understand that no one is going to save you. No one is going to come and tell you how beautiful and how amazing you are. हम सोचते हैं कि क्यों ही हमें कोई ऐसा फील नहीं करा रहा है कि हम ब्यूटीफुल हो, क्यों ही हम इतने इनविजिबल हैं लोगों की लाइफ में, क्यों ही हमें अटेंशन नहीं मिल रहा है, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. You have given the power to someone else. You are never going to feel worthy because now the power is in someone else's hands and they are going to decide if they want you to feel good about yourself or not. Why would they want? And as I told you, ugly is not your face, ugly is your energy. That means that when you walk defeated, that you are going to be unworthy because you are not beautiful. When you walk with that energy is ugly, and that energy is going to portray you as a ugly girl. And beauty is not a face. Beauty is your energy, the energy that you bring to the table. Beauty is like walking with the confidence that you are the prize. Beauty is how you walk, how you laugh, how you talk, how you stand, how you say, how you own yourself even when you are not perfect. मतलब हमें लगता है कि ब्यूटी मतलब कि हमारा चेहरा एकदम चमकना चाहिए, हमारे बाल एकदम परफेक्ट होने चाहिए और आई डोंट नो क्या क्या. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि वो सारी चीज़ें ही हमें ब्यूटीफुल बनाती हैं और जस्ट बिकॉज वी डू नॉट लुक अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ पर्सन वी आर नॉट ब्यूटीफुल. बट यू नो, एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर गोइंग टू बिलीव दैट, you are not going to feel beautiful. Because you know what, even if you are working on your face, on your hair, on your these things which makes you believe that if they will be right or they will be a particular way, then you will feel beautiful or then you will be beautiful, they are temporary. They are temporary. Even if you will change that, they are gonna make you feel good for some time and then you are not going to feel good about yourself after a certain time. And this also reminds me of how the beauty standards changes. So even if you will be a particular way right now, it is not going to be the same the next year, or in fact now with Instagram and all, it is not going to be the same the next week in fact. But you know, beauty is not about ticking that all those things that are in the beauty standards. Beauty is about claiming yourself, claiming whatever you have got with unapologetic energy. And you know, एक और प्रॉब्लम होती है ऐसे लोगों को जो लोगों की सोचते हैं कि दूसरे लोग तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हैं बट दे आर नॉट ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक दूसरी गर्ल्स तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हैं, दूसरे वुमेन आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड दे आर नॉट. ऐसे लोगों के साथ ये भी प्रॉब्लम होती है दैट दे एनवी देयर फ्रेंड्स, दे एनवी देयर लाइक अदर वुमेन. सो if you are insecure about your looks, you are always going to envy other females. And even after all this, if you still feel like you are ugly or if you are not beautiful, you know what, you are just addicted to feel that you are victim. You just want to feel that you are victim, you are not beautiful, you are ugly, so these things will happen with you. You will not get opportunities, you will not get love, you will not get attention because you have a victim mindset that believes that I am not beautiful and therefore I am not going to get all these things. And so be it, because victims never become queens. Victims never get respected, victims are never getting attention, victims are someone who are just sitting in the corner because they are always feeling that they need someone else to make them feel good. Because it is easier to just cry about like I am not beautiful instead of just claiming yourself. Because yes, it is easy, just say that I'm not beautiful and just get out of here. But it's difficult to accept yourself, to work on yourself, to make yourself, to build yourself, to build your personality, to work on your insecurities. It is difficult. So yes, you are not suffering from bad looks, you are suffering because you are addicted to feel victim. Beauty is never about how your face is. Beauty is all about your energy. The prettiest girl could be the most insecure person, while the most average girl can run the whole world. So let's just make a deal. If you are going to ever say to yourself that I am ugly now, just spit it. Spit that thought out of your mind and say instead that I am just unclaimed. I have never worked on myself and I have never tried to find myself. I have ever waited for someone else to come and tell me that how worthy I am, and therefore I feel this way. But if I will work on myself, if I will work on my insecurities, on my these thoughts, then I'm not going to be the same. I am going to be the girl who rules the room. और जैसे ही आप खुद को ऐसे देखने लगते हो कि you are that girl, you are that person, it has nothing to, like honestly, it has nothing to do with how you look. As I've already told you, Geet, Anjali, it has nothing to do with how you look. It is all about how you present yourself, what you bring to the table, what energy do you bring to the table, how you make other people feel. These are important, not that how you look. What determines how you look? Your energy. Change your energy and you will see that how much difference you can see, how different you can start looking. Because confidence changes face, baby. Confidence changes face. So as soon as you will change your energy, you will change your face, you will change everything in your life. Yes, some magic happens that as soon as you get confident, you get confidence, you change everything. Beauty is all about your aura, and as soon as you change your aura, as soon as you change the energy, as soon as you change how you present yourself, then nothing else matters. You will be that beautiful girl. You know, people will talk about you like, she is that girl, she is that bitch, you know. आपकी एनर्जी ही आपकी पूरी पर्सनालिटी बिल्ड करती है. तो हमें क्या काम करना है? हमें अपनी ऑरा पे काम करना है, हमें अपनी एनर्जी पे काम करना है, हमें अपने कॉन्फिडेंस पे काम करना है. क्योंकि अगर हम ये जीत जाएंगे ये वाली वॉर, तो ये वाली वॉर जीतना बहुत आसान है, क्योंकि फिर ये वॉर रहेगी ही नहीं. और जैसे ही आप अपनी एनर्जी पे काम करने लगोगे ना, अपनी पर्सनालिटी पे काम करने लगोगे ना, कि वॉट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल, वैसे ही आपको समझ में आएगा कि अगली जैसा तो कुछ होता भी नहीं है, अगली जैसा तो कभी कुछ था भी नहीं आपके अंदर. आपको बस लगता था कि आप अगली हो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर एनर्जी, क्योंकि आप हमेशा यही एनर्जी खुद को भी दे रहे होते थे और दुनिया को भी दे रहे होते थे, तो आपको लग रहा होता था कि आप अगली हो. बट as soon as you will understand that no, these are not even a thing, then you will realize that okay, I have wasted so much time on something so irrelevant. Yes. And before ending this video, I want to talk about two more things. One is comparison and the other is male gaze. कुछ ऐसी लड़कियाँ होती हैं, they think that they are not enough and then they compare themselves with other pretty girls and they feel envy of other girls. They feel that they will never get the same opportunity, same love, same attraction from others the way the pretty girls are getting, and they hate those girls. Whenever you will compare yourself with other girls, you have lost the game, because you are comparing a sunflower with a rose, and you think that just because rose has more bees around itself, that means sunflower is a waste, sunflower is not worth it. It is like the same. So you are the sunflower and the other pretty girl is rose. Just because she is getting attention does not mean you are unlucky, does not mean that you are ugly, and it does not mean that she is not beautiful. She is beautiful, she is the rose, but you are the sunflower. So stop feeling jealous of rose, because you are sunflower. As soon as you are comparing yourself with that rose, that beautiful rose, you say that sunflower is just a waste and sunflower is not worth it. Do you really think sunflower is ugly? And she is not your villain. She is living her life. She is getting what her story is. She is living her story. You are living your story. This is your story. Stop thinking that she is a villain. She is not. She is just living her life. Let her live. Let her be happy. And do not be sad just because she is happy. She is living her story. You have to live yours. Because I know, as soon as you see some beautiful girl, you start thinking that, oh, she's pretty, she's this, her hair is like that, her face is like that, and I'm just so boring, nobody will like me. You have lost the game. You just need to understand that she is living her life and you have to live your own life. Hear me. Your worth is yours. Nobody can take it or nobody can give it to you. And then let's talk about male gaze. And in the same way for the male gaze, as I already told you, that your worth is yours, nobody can take it or give it to you. The same way, why are we giving importance to men? Why are we giving importance to them? That you think that I am worth it, so I am worth it. If you think that I am not worth it and you are not giving me attention, then my worth is nothing. Just because a man is not giving you the attention that he is giving to some other rose does not make you any less worthy. Your worth is yours. Do not give your power to someone else. Do not give the power to make yourself feel worth it in someone else's hand. Because if you do so, you are never going to be happy. You are never going to feel worth it. And what if we change the scenario? What if you start choosing yourself? What if you start saying to yourself that yes, I am beautiful, and not just saying but believing it? And how will you believe it? By giving yourself the proof. How you will give the proof? By being the best version of yourself anywhere and everywhere you go. Giving the energy that you are in the world. You do not need any expensive cloth, makeup, or just anything. You can be yourself and that makes you beautiful. Like, it's so simple. The game is so simple. Just be yourself and you will see how beautiful you are. You just have to be yourself. You know, as soon as you start accepting yourself, you start feeling yourself fully, you start being yourself, you start giving the energy that yes, I own my energy and I'm not going to apologize for that. I am this and I'm going to be like this. That energy, that being yourself, being unapologetically you, that is beautiful. Like, confidence is beautiful, no matter what. And male gaze is irrelevant. He complimented her, so what? Who gives a fuck? The second you think this way, that he is gonna make me feel good about myself, you are over. You are never going to feel worthy. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you think that this video brings value in your life and changed your mindset, then do hit the subscribe button and check out my Instagram and follow me there as well. Okay, bye bye.